So we have an update from the Trevor Colip injury, and first things first, in the description below, there's going to be a link to the Road to Recovery page because this is going to be massively expensive for them. But as of 3 hours ago, as I'm looking at this, on his Instagram page, saying, quote, "It's now day 21 for Trevor in the hospital in California. He continues to receive daily physical and occupational therapy and is showing small but steady signs of progress. Trevor is now able to get vertical and stand briefly with the assistance of a walker and support staff. However, due to the ongoing issues with low blood pressure and a rapid heart rate when upright, he can currently only tolerate standing for about a minute before risking dizziness or passing out. Though it's still early in his recovery journey, Trevor is holding steady and each day brings incremental steps forward. A rehabilitation hospital has been identified and plans are underway to transfer Trevor so he can begin the next phase of his healing in a facility better suited for his long-term recovery. If you would like to support Trevor and his help cover the significant cost of the air transport and ongoing occupational therapy, you can donate at the link below. And like I said in the comments below or description below, every contribution makes a meaningful difference to Trevor and his family. And from I saw it somewhere, it's like a $65,000 medical flight. So this is going to be massively expensive. The surgeries, the medical flight, 21 days in a hospital, and then the continued cost towards a rehabilitation hospital. This is going to be massively expensive, and anything to help these people. Obviously, it's a massive life change for him, the family, and everything that's going on. So if you can, go down in the description below, check out the link, donate what you can, or help however you want to. I don't know, but it'll be in the description below.